point-in-time count is really important to the city of Santa Maria and basically any city in the nation, because it gives us a snapshot of what the homeless situation is like in the area. And then by getting an accurate number of what that looks like, then we can obtain the proper funding to help reduce those numbers. That is always the goal, obviously, to reduce and eliminate homelessness. So they gave us a map of the area to assess. Our area is on the northeast side of town, and it's an area by the riverbed where we know from experience that people camp out there. Gail, I'm just going to check it out over here, okay? I'm looking for anyone who may potentially be sleeping out here or residing out here. I don't really see anything. I don't see any makeshift homes, or not homes, but encampments. There might be some people. We'll drive around. I don't anticipate seeing much in those areas. It's more in the surrounding area by the riverbed that we may encounter some people who are suffering from homelessness. Well, we do have services like the Freedom Warming Centers that open up during the winter time, and they don't exclude anyone. You can come in as you are, and they will house you. Hi, we're here. We're here doing the homeless count, and we were just wondering if you frequent this area and if you've ever seen anybody sleeping out here.
Not this area.
Not this area. Do you know of an area nearby where we might find anyone sleeping on the streets? No. Okay.
Oh, sorry.
Thank you. Counting every single homeless person in the area will assist us in obtaining additional grant funding that will help us hopefully reduce the number of people living on the streets. So we did all of that, and then we did the industrial, like the parking lots and any place like that. And the residential, we drove through the residential, but by then it was light out, and if anybody is sleeping in their vehicle, they might have already moved. Or I personally feel it's important to do this every year because I want my community to improve, and we can only do that by participating and by bringing in resources and funding that will allow us to do that.